Hello everyone. Today, Hatan will introduce the dish, grilled Linh Fish Rolled and Lolot Leaves. Western countryside dishes. Prepare ingredients, 400 grams of fresh Linh fish, 100 grams of pork belly, 40 Lolot leaves, 3 shallots, 2 garlic bulbs, 1 lemongrass bulb, 100 grams of roasted peanuts, crushed. Spices, fish sauce, optional seasoning powder, sugar, ground pepper, cooking oil, optional scallion oil, to brush when grilling. Steps: clean Linh fish, remove head, remove intestines. If young fish, you can keep the bones to grind, wash and drain. Peel shallots, garlic, lemongrass, chop finely. Wash pork belly, cut into small cubes. Wash Lolot leaves, 30 large leaves for rolling, 10 leaves cut into thin strips. Put the prepared Linh fish into a food processor and puree. Mix the minced fish with the diced pork belly, shallots, garlic, minced lemongrass and shredded Lolot leaves. Season the mixture with fish sauce, seasoning powder, sugar, ground pepper. Mix well and let the filling rest for about 15 minutes to absorb the spices. Spread the Lolot leaves out, the dark green side facing up so that when rolled, it will look better. Put a sufficient amount of fish filling in the middle of the leaf. Roll the Lolot leaves tightly and use a bamboo toothpick or leaf stalk to secure it. Preheat the air fryer to 180 degrees. Arrange the fish rolls on a tray, brush with a thin layer of cooking oil. Bake for about 15 minutes. Flip and bake for another 5 minutes until golden brown. Presentation and enjoyment: arrange the grilled Linh fish rolls on a plate. Spread scallion oil on top and sprinkle with crushed peanuts. This dish is usually eaten hot, rolled with vermicelli, various raw vegetables and dipped in sweet and sour fish sauce or tamarind fish sauce depending on taste. Things to note: choosing Linh fish, choose young Linh fish, early in the season, for softer, fatter and less fishy meat. Pork belly is very important so that the fish filling does not dry out when grilled, and also helps the fish roll to be more fatty and fragrant. Roll the Lolot leaves tightly so that the filling does not fall out when grilled. The Lolot leaves should be grilled immediately after being rolled to prevent the leaves from wilting. When preparing Linh fish, you can wash it again with white wine or ginger water to effectively remove the fishy smell. When grilling with an air fryer, you can increase the temperature to 200 degrees for the last 2 to 3 minutes to make the fish roll crispy and have a more beautiful color. Grilled Linh Fish Rolled and Lolot Leaves is a rustic, unique and extremely delicious dish of the Mekong Delta, especially during the flood season. This dish is a wonderful combination of fresh Linh fish meat that is finely ground, mixed with rich spices, then wrapped in Lolot leaves. When grilled on a charcoal stove or oven, the betel leaves give off a distinctive aroma, mixed with the sweet, fatty taste of the fish meat. This is an attractive dish, often used as a snack or a savory dish served with hot rice. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Goodbye and wish you a cozy and delicious meal. See you again in the next delicious food sharing video.